What's the meaning of claptrap? Claptrap. Claptrap.
Claptrap. Claptrap. Claptrap usually refers to meaningless talk or nonsense, often used to deceive or impress others. It can refer to false or exaggerated statements, insincere flattery, or pointless chatter. The term originates from the idea of a stage trick in which a trapdoor was used to create a clapping sound. Today, it is commonly used to describe speech or behavior that is insincere, dishonest, or unimportant. Claptrap is typically associated with empty, superficial talk that lacks substance or meaning.